Good morning,
Good morning.
everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you, kids?
We are fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I am fine, thank you. Are you able to see me properly? And are you able to hear me properly, kids?
Yes.
Please give
Can
thumbs up if you can. Yes?
Ma'am, we can hear you and we can see you also.
Okay. Okay. Okay, everyone. So first of all, let us revise what we did in the last class. Okay. So last class you were here, right? आप यहाँ पर थे. So what we did in the last class kids? हमने क्या किया last class में? Yes, everyone, tell me beta what we did in the last class. Do you remember?
Introduction of chapter 4.
Okay. So, see kids, in last class we completed explanation of chapter number 4, that is MS Word, है ना? उसमें हमने किया था that is editing text, how to insert text, how to delete text, cut कैसे करना है, copy कैसे करना है. Then we also did how to check spelling and grammar mistakes and how to correct them. So that is what we did in the last class. So now kids we will go with the workout. आज हम workout करेंगे, ठीक है? So everyone please open page number 43 in your textbook.
Ma'am, page number
43.
43. Okay. Ma'am, मेरे पास तो नहीं है 43 पेज नंबर.
Page number 43. Workout. Workout. आपको दिख रहा है ना everyone? Are you able to see this? Ready everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see, fill in the correct word. Workout. Fill in the correct word. First one. Please keep your mic off, beta. चलो. To select a complete line, dash, that is click, double click or triple click in the selected area. Yes. What will come? हमें complete line select करनी है. Then we need to click it, double click it or triple click it.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Yes, everyone give answer, beta. What are you doing? क्यों कोई आंसर नहीं दे रहा है?
What, ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Give answer of workout, beta. That is question 1. Workout on page number 43. मैं PDF शेयर नहीं करूंगी इसकी. Yes, that is we need to click it. Very good, Khushi. Then second, you want some text to appear at 2 places in your document. You will use cut paste or copy paste. So there it will be copy paste. आपको एक साथ 2 जगह पर सेम टेक्स्ट चाहते हो कि वो हो. So that is you will have to copy it and then paste it. Then third, you deleted a word in your document by mistake. Delete कर दिया है आपने कोई डॉक्यूमेंट, कुछ वर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट. You will use the dash button to bring back the word. Undo or
Redo.
It is better undo.
Undo.
Undo button, yes. And fourth is, instead of typing I made a mistake, you type I made a mistake. So there will be a dash, that is red wavy or blue wavy under the word made, MAID. What will come?
Red wavy. Ma'am, red wavy.
Red wavy, yes. Red wavy. Now, exercise 8. This was workout. Now exercise 8, true or false. First, you can pin the word icon to the task bar. क्या हम टास्क बार में पिन करके रख सकते हैं वर्ड के आइकन को? ट्रू और फॉल्स? Yes. Yes, it is true. Very good, Satya. So in first, true will come. Then Control plus N does the same job as file new.
Yes, true, ma'am, true.
True, yes. Then to select a complete line, double click on the selection area. Complete line को select करना है. Then
False, ma'am.
false, yes. Delete just click it. So in third, F will come. Very good. Now fourth, you can use the cut paste option to move text. Move करना है हमें text. So cut and paste we need to choose. True or false? True. It is true. Move करनी है, so we need to cut it and then paste it. Now fifth, redo reverses the action of undo. Yes, correct. That is true.
True, true.
And sixth is word mark incorrect spellings with a blue wavy underline. Incorrect spelling में blue wavy underline आएगी. True or false? Yes, false. It is for spelling. It will be red wavy underline and not blue. Blue wavy line is for grammar mistake. Now turn the page everyone. Yes. तो ठीक है, आप लोगों को मेरी पूरी अच्छे से स्क्रीन दिख रही है, सब कुछ दिख रहा है? यस यस और नो? एवरीवन बेटा एटलीस्ट आप यस और नो का तो आंसर दो. व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग, बिकॉज मेरी स्क्रीन में मुझे पूरा ब्लैक ही दिख रहा है. तो जस्ट अ मिनट में लीव होकर वापस से ज्वाइन हो रही हूँ. ठीक है? अभी भी दिख रही है एवरीवन? आर यू एबल टू सी माय स्क्रीन?
Yes, ma'am, we are able to.
Okay. Now turn the page and we will move towards exercise B. That is match the following. Match the following. See, match the commands with the shortcut. Here we have 6 commands और हमें उन्हें उनके शॉर्टकट से मैच करना है. See what you will do is कि कोई ऐसे मैच नहीं करेगा, ऐसे मैचिंग नहीं करनी है. राइट 1 2 3 4 here. ऐसे 1 2 3 4 लिख दो. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. ओके, ऐसे लिखेंगे हम, मैच नहीं करना है. चलो, so for to save a document, save a document with shortcut for saving.
Ma'am, Control+S.
Control S, very good. So that is B. Yes. Then second is close the document.
Control+W.
Control+W, very good. Third, open a document.
Control+O.
Control-O, yes. Then print a document.
Control+C. Control+D.
Cut, yes, cut text. Cut.
Control+X.
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 And paste.
Control+V.
Control+E. Very good. Now exercise C. Fill in the blanks and choose from the box. We need to fill the blanks from the words given in the box. Okay. Chalo, first. Press dash to go to the next paragraph. Next paragraph में जाना है तो we need to press what? क्या press करेंगे?
Ma'am, undo.
It is enter, beta. It is enter.
Ma'am, I write that in chat box.
Yes, beta. देखा मैंने. Now second, making changes in the text is called. Text जो भी हमने लिखा है उसमें जो हम changes करते हैं that is
Editing.
Yes. To select a word, you dash on it.
Double click, ma'am. Double click.
Yes, very good. That is, अगर हमें कोई भी वर्ड को सिलेक्ट करना है, we need to double click it. Now fourth, the left margin area where you click to select text is called dash area. Selection area. Very good. In board selection. See, जो एरिया था कि जिससे हम पता है माउस पॉइंटर को वहां रखते थे तो ऐसा एरो आ जा रहा था. That is selection area. Now, fifth, the dash command is used to cancel the previous command. आगे का जो हमने किया था वो उसे हमें वापस रिवर्स
Answer is undo, ma'am. Undo.
Yes. Undo. And sixth, to copy a portion of a text to another place. Copy. We need to copy it. You select it and then use the command dash and dash.
Copy paste.
Copy and paste. Yes. Copy and then paste. Very good. Copy paste. Correct. Now exercise B, everyone. Pick the correct option. First, which of these can be called a document in Word? इनमें से कौन सा है उसे हम डॉक्यूमेंट कह सकते हैं? First is a letter, a report with pictures, a poem, or all of this?
A report with picture.
All of these बेटा, all of these. ये जो all है, that is letter, report with pictures, poem, ये सभी ही डॉक्यूमेंट है. तो ऑप्शन डी. Then second, the icon is used to dash a document.
Print. PRI.
That is save. बेटा ये जो आइकन दिख रहा है हमें, it is of save. Option A. Save. Then third, to select a paragraph. If we want to select a paragraph, you will click in the selection area.
Click.
Yes. Option B. बेटा double click is correct.
Double click.
हम सेंटेंस करेंगे. डबल क्लिक से पैराग्राफ एंड होल डॉक्यूमेंट इज बाय ट्रिपल क्लिक. नाउ फोर, if you close a document without saving it, a dash appears that reminds you to save it. अगर आपने close कर दिया without saving your document, then what will appear? Yes.
Dialog box.
Menu, dialog box or tool box. So yes, option C, dialog box. Dialog box either that is, do you want to save this document? Yes, no, cancel. So that is dialog box will come. Now, fifth, to exit MS Word, click on the that is cross button in the dash. Title bar, task bar, quick access toolbar or status bar. Title bar. Yes. Okay, Sia. That is title bar. Option A is correct.
Title bar.
जो क्रॉस बटन होता है that is in the title bar. Okay. Now kids, first of all, okay. Now we will discuss exercise E. Answer this question. बेटा अभी हम डिस्कस कर लेंगे, ठीक है? फिर इसकी मैं PDF आपसे शेयर करूंगी. तो फ्रॉम दैट PDF आपको ये आंसर्स आप नोटबुक में लिखने हैं, क्वेश्चन आंसर बुक में. अंडरस्टूड? Yes or no? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Okay. Now see first. हाँ, जिसे आंसर पता है, राइट I in the chat box. Okay? चल. How is moving text different from copying and pasting it? Moving text कैसे कॉपी पेस्टिंग से डिफरेंट है?
मैम आप क्या करवा रहे हो आप?
Exercise E. बेटा आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन ऑन पेज नंबर 45.
क्वेश्चन नंबर में
First, how is moving text different from copying and pasting? Yes, Priya.
ma'am, when we move the text is removed from one place and pasted on another, but when we copy and paste, it remain on both places.
Very good. Correct. Absolutely correct. In moving text, what happens is, in moving text gets deleted from its original place. जहाँ पर वो हमने पहले उसे टाइप करके रखा था फ्रॉम इट्स ओरिजिनल प्लेस, वहाँ से वो डिलीट हो जाएगा. एंड देन इट इज पेस्टेड एट सम न्यू प्लेस. व्हाइल कॉपिंग, जो पहले से था वहाँ पर तो वो रहेगा ही, इट विल रिमेन एट इट्स ओरिजिनल प्लेस एंड देन इट इज पेस्टेड. वेरी गुड. नाउ सेकेंड, what will happen if you close a document without saving it? If you are not saving your document, then yes, Satya.
If we do not save our document and we will close it down.
बेटा आपकी वॉइस बहुत ही स्लो आ रही है, सत्या.
मैम आप
No, wait a minute, just a minute.
Ma'am, now can you hear me? Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, now can you hear me?
Okay, yes, now I can. Yes.
Document without saving it, it will not save, and actually we can write it again because it will not be saved and it will be deleted and it cannot be saved.
Okay. See, beta, if we close the document before saving it, सेव करने से पहले ही अगर हम उसे क्लोज कर रहे हैं, then what happens is dialog box appears. एक dialog box जो है वो appear होगा saying whether you want to save it or not. So that is what will happen if we do not save it and if we close the document. Now third, right? Sorry, beta. Sorry, what?
If you close the dialog box also, then it deletes also.
Yes. Now third, write any two ways in which you can delete text. Yes, if you want to delete the text, then how can you do that? If Sia and Satya is for them, what about other students? बेटा जैसा भी आंसर आए आपको गिव. ट्राई टू स्पीक. डिलीट करने के कौन कौन से वेज है? Yes, Sia. Yes, Sia.
And one is delete and second is backspace. Delete is
Very good.
used
That is
before word
yes.
and delete is used for deleting the afterward and backspace is used for deleting the backward.
Okay. So that is if we want to delete a text, we have to use backspace or delete key. Yes. Now fourth, how would you select the following using the selection area? Selection area से हम कैसे select कर सकते हैं? First is word. If we want to select a word, then word select करना है, then we need to double click on it. Then for a line को कैसे select करेंगे? We want to select a line, then single click. Paragraph, for paragraph double click, and for complete document triple click. So word, then on a word double click, then for complete line single click, for paragraph double click, and for entire document triple click. Now fifth, describe two ways in which you can print a text in Word. How to two ways जो है जिससे आप कर सकते हैं print. You can give print. Two ways. Yes. Very easy. Yes, beta. See. Yes. Sia. Turn on your mic and tell, beta.
We can use to print, we can do Control P or select the print button and then we can print.
Okay, yes. Wait a minute, huh? Last, beta. यहाँ से last class. Okay. See, so first way is that is as she said that is Control plus P, and another way is file text and then from file text print. Okay. Now say, how does word indicate wrong spelling and wrong grammar? Yes, Satya. Sorry. बेटा नहीं आवाज आ रही है. Yes.
If we have done spelling mistakes, then red is very horizontal line appears, and if we have done grammar mistakes, we have put it come after the two space, that and then, and there goes green horizontal very line. If we have done grammar mistakes.
Okay. See, that is for wrong spelling, red wavy line will come, and for wrong grammar, blue wavy line under that word. Correct. Yes, beta. Now think and answer, everyone. This we will write. Think and answer. See. Pasha typed the word bind, B-I-N-D, instead of blind. The red wavy line did not appear, even though bind was the incorrect spelling. Why? It is not, there is no such spelling as B-I-N-D, but still red wavy line nahi aayi. Why? Yes, anyone? Yes, beta. It was incorrect. Yes, Satya.
also correct spelling and bind was also correct spelling.
No beta, here it is given. Bind was the incorrect spelling. उनके लिए वो incorrect था, but still नहीं आया. Incorrect, it is given in the question. Incorrect spelling.
नहीं वो पर उसका मीनिंग तो है.
See, that is because it is added in its dictionary. MS Word की dictionary में अगर कोई word added हो, then it will not show red baby line. So that is what we have to write. Because वहीं पर लिख दो बेटा, वहाँ पे जो space है वहीं पर लिखो. Because what is added, it is added in the dictionary. उसकी जो डिक्शनरी है उसमें एडेड है. And then full stop. Second, Mariam's teacher has asked her to write an essay on the importance of plants in MS Word in 100 words. 100 words में ही उसे essay complete करना है. Which part of her document will she use to check if she is within the word limit? If we want to check how many words are there in our document, so what to use? हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Yes, we need to use status bar. यहाँ नीचे था how many items are there, words कितने हैं, so that is shown from, that is being shown in the status bar. That is status bar. See, now see everyone, hands on. Write a passage between 90 and 100 words on an animal of your choice. For example, the tiger. So tiger, give it a title, उसे title देना है, and then save the passage after giving it a name. Close MS Word. तो ये आपको लिखना है, okay? This you will write. Understood everyone? ये आपको टाइप करके मुझे फोटो सेंड करना है. You will type it and then will share photo to me. Okay. Now, everyone please open page number 46, that is computer technology and you. Computer technology and you. See, computer technology and you. Can you guess the picture? सिर्फ इतना पोर्शन ही बताओ कि ये क्या है. What is this? इतना पोर्शन किसके जैसा लग रहा है आपको? Anyone? Any guesses?
3D image.
किसके जैसा?
3D image.
3D image. Okay, but किसकी?
Of house.
3D image. Of a house. Yes. See, टेक्नोलॉजी हैज एडवांस्ड अ लॉट. टेक्नोलॉजी अभी इतनी एडवांस हो गई है कि दैट सो nowadays what happens is कि just a minute. Technology has increased in a way that कि अभी कोई भी without any person you can build a house with the help of robots or various machines. Okay. Just a minute. Wait a minute, okay, kids? I drink water. Okay. See, so computer technology has increased in a way that now machines can build a house. हमें किसी person की जरूरत नहीं है for building our house. See, with the help of machine only, you can make a house and it even takes entire house 24 hours में बन जाएगा. With the help of such machines. So that is what it is, that computers and technologies have increased a lot. If we have time, then I'll show you the video. Just a minute, okay? मैं ऑन कर रही हूँ. That is called 3D painting, 3D printer. See, this is how. So see, this is 3D printing house. See, ऐसे मशीन से पूरा सीमेंट जो है वो निकलता है बाहर. See, यहाँ से ये नोजल में से सीमेंट जो है वो बाहर निकलता है. See, in this way. Kids, are you able to see this? So this is how it is made. See? Understood, everyone? That is what 3D painting house is. 3D printer
Yes,
for a house. So with the help of that, house is made. Understood? आपके को ऐसा पिक्चर जैसा ही दिख रहा है ना, तो no way it is given in your picture. See? Okay? So this is all about today's class work, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
No, bye, wait. See in homework. So in homework, you will have to complete question answer. क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं योर कंप्यूटर नोटबुक PDF में आपसे शेयर कर दूंगी. ओके, सो दिस इज इट. So bye bye kids, have a nice day, we'll meet next week.